Okay, Nadine, Hassan, here goes. Sorry for the wait. Dum kebab with white rice and curry leaves. Let me get myself a plate as well. Here is Nadine and Hassan, my very good friends from the paper microphone. So, needless to say, the standards of food that I am catering to are very high, so let's hope for the best.
It smells very good.
It does?
It does. I like the garnishing. Is this curry pepper?
This is curry pepper.
I think goes very well with the...
White rice?
Yes. And the rest of the dish.
Okay, great. So it seems like you guys are all set for lunch. You like it? Great. So we have dessert coming up right after this. So finish up and you'll get the apple pie out. Alright guys, here is the apple pie. It's right out of the oven, so it's going to be pretty hot.
So is this a special recipe that you used?
It is a homemade apple pie, so anything can be special as long as it's very personal to you. I've been making apple pies, the rest of it's in there, so we get that out for you. So for a while now, and I suppose people add their own sort of thing to it. I use a few ingredients more than the conventional apple pie recipe. So you'll have to taste and tell me how it goes.
You know, I can already smell the... Is it lemon in it?
No lemon at all. And a nice generous helping of vanilla ice cream. I wish I could make it all professional and round, but this is what I have to do.
That's great.
So you guys have hopefully enjoyed your meal. So I would, I think I've made edible food today, which was the main point. We've tried different recipes. We've used inspiration from all the dishes that we've tried at different places. I hope you enjoyed it as well. But it's time for me to go now. You can write in with your comments and suggestions on our email address, which is flf@dawnnews.tv. So next time, bye-bye.